Have you tried everything under the sun to get the glass skin look? Yes, ma'am. Okay, but have you tried the Vegan Radiance Booster Skin Tint by Iconic London? No. Well, how about we test it out together? Hi, my name is Muniza and I make beauty related videos just like this one. So if this is your first time on my channel, consider subscribing to be a part of the SAS fam. Alright, so out of the 10 shades, I got the shade Sand Glow and it has a creamy consistency. I'll apply the Iconic London Radiance Complexion Booster on this side without any primer, and as much as I hate this, they do suggest using your fingers to apply it. And this is what one layer looks like and nothing on this side. For this side, I'll apply my Tea Tree Pore Minimizer Primer before applying the Radiance Booster. And this is what it looks like with and without the primer. As I mentioned in my first impressions video, it has sheer coverage and it doesn't blur any pores or cover any blemishes. Now they do say that the creme formula can be layered to give more coverage, so let's see if applying another layer makes any difference by covering up my blemishes. And this is what 2 layers look like versus 1 layer before the primer and after the primer. I don't think 2 layers of the Radiance Complexion Booster makes a difference in terms of covering any blemishes. It's just making me look more shiny, more tan, and I am noticing it creasing under my eyes as well. So I'd recommend just wearing 1 layer of the Radiance Booster, and you can wear it as is if you're going for that glass skin look, or you can wear it underneath a foundation like I did in my first impressions video, or a BB cream, or if you're just going for that no makeup look, you can even just dot it like on the high points of your cheeks. Now it doesn't say how long lasting it is, so I'm just checking in after 2 hours, and I didn't apply any foundation on top. I just went in with my Fit Me Matte Poreless powder, but I don't think it's making any difference because the Iconic London Radiance Booster is still giving me a glass skin look. Plus, it has oxidized quite a bit already, and if you look up close, you can see it has caked and creased underneath my eyes as well. If you're enjoying this video so far, hit the red subscribe button below the video. So it's barely been 8 hours since I applied the Radiance Booster, and it still feels lightweight but super tacky when I touch it, and I feel like my face looks like a straight up disco ball at this point. And then looking up close, the caking and the creasing under my eyes has gotten worse, and it has also caked and creased around my smile lines. My final thoughts on the Iconic London Radiance Booster is that for 52 Canadian dollars plus tax, I don't think it's worth it because it really doesn't give me an illusion of an Insta filter in real life like they claim it does. I also don't like how it feels tacky to the touch even though I did apply a powder. And then there is the caking and the creasing that started since I applied it, and it hasn't stopped ever since even though I did apply a setting powder. Plus it transferred onto my mask as well. The only 2 things that I do love about it is that even though it is tacky, it feels lightweight and it gives a glass skin look. And so for all these reasons, I'm giving the Iconic London Radiance Complexion Booster 1 out of 5 stars. Now if you like the mascara and the concealer that I'm wearing in this video, you can click here to check out my review on the Bite Beauty Upswing Full Volume Mascara, or here to check out the Fenty Beauty Bright Fix Eye Brightener Concealer, and I'll see you there. Also, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to be a part of the SAS fam.